Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, right now I'm pretty excited because I've been waiting on this for 2 days now. So it was supposed to come yesterday, but there was a delay. So we're going to do a little unboxing and find out what we got. Let's just go ahead and do that. Spin it over to this side. Now just run one down the middle. It's very hard to do things with one hand. You know what? What the heck? It's a box inside a box. Okay. Well. Okay, that's a lot smaller than it was. What the heck, bro? Okay. So what we have here is a rope with a, I forget what they call these things. But it's got that on it. And what the heck, bro? What is that? Bro, what is that? It's, oh my goodness. Alright, so, dang. Somewhat of a good magnet. Alright. So, comes with gloves and a little thing to scrape off the magnet. If you guys don't know what this is yet, it's for magnet fishing. So I've been seeing the videos all over YouTube, all over TikTok, and well, I've been wanting to get one of these for years now, and nobody really tells you where to buy these from or what magnet to use, so I never really knew. But this whole kit is off Amazon. Comes with the rope. I don't know how long the rope is. Comes with a little 2.5 inch magnet, which that's, I don't know. Maybe that's not 2.5. Maybe that's just 2 inches. I don't know. Comes with a scraper and gloves. You can get all this on Amazon for 15 bucks. So I've been wanting to go magnet fishing for the longest time. I live in a pretty crime infested area, so I've been wanting to go magnet fishing to see what I could find. I think my first video is going to be called, I'm not saying it because I know somebody's going to steal that, but yeah, anyway, I just uploaded a video on gas station shenanigans or whatever, and now I want to go magnet fishing. So let me know if you guys want to see some videos of me magnet fishing in a dangerous area. So I think it'd be really fun. It's got a I mean, I think it'll still pick something up. Gotta be careful because this knife is like super sharp. But did it? I thought it just made the knife magnetized and the freaking glove picked it up. Anyway, if you guys want to see a video of me magnet fishing, definitely let me know because I really want to go do it right now. There's a bridge that looks like it might be full of some crime objects, if you know what I'm saying. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Definitely leave a comment if you guys want to see me magnet fish. I got a little body cam that I can attach to my hat. I just bought an SD card for it, and only thing I got to do is just attach it to my hat and just go. So there will be no more videos of me holding the camera. You can see both hands. It'll be awesome. I have to wear it on my hat because I don't wear the button ups where it'll slide into place at or whatever. But anyway, if you guys want to see a magnet fishing video, definitely leave a comment because I plan on going right now after I upload this video, and I plan on going fishing, baby. All right, see you guys in the next video, man. Until next time, God loves you. Peace.